Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to download Valorant in PC and laptop in 2025. So let's just jump into the video, and first of all you need to get into the official website of Valorant and playvalorant.com, and you have to click on that, and after that you have to click play for free, and you will be redirected to Riot Games site, and now you have to click on download to get the Valorant installer. If you are using a PC, you have to click on PC. If you are using Xbox and PlayStation, you have to click on these buttons, and after that you have to create or log in to your Riot Games account. And if you don't have a sign up, it's free, and run the downloaded file. It will install the Riot client. This is required to play Valorant. And after that, once inside the Riot client, Valorant will start downloading automatically. It's around 30 to 40 GB, so make sure you have enough space. And after installation, open Valorant from the Riot client, set your in-game settings and jump in. That's it. Fast, free, and ready for action. And want a mobile or offline installer version? Let me know in the comment section. See you on the next video.